Hi, everyone. Today we're going to be working on the letters B and D. The reason we're working on them is because they can look very similar, but they have different sounds. So we're going to work on a trick today that might help you. So let's start by practicing our letters, the B and the D. So repeat after me. B, bat, B. One more time. B, bat, B. Good job. All right, now let's try this one. Repeat after me. D, dog, D. One more time. D, dog, D. Great job, guys. All right, now let's look at this word. Do you know what this word says when you read it out loud? Why don't you try it on your own? I'll give you just a second to do that, and then we'll try it together. Okay, let's try it together. So I'm going to tap it out like I would on my fingers, but I'm going to do it with my mouth so you can follow along. B, E, D, B, E, D, B, E, D. Bed. Oh my gosh, great job. So I want you to remember this word, where I'm going to go to the next slide, but I want you to think about this word. Keep it in the back of your brain. Now, I want you to put both of your hands up like you're giving someone thumbs up with both thumbs. So your knuckles are going to be touching. And so when you look at it, when you see your thumb on your left hand held up in front of you, and then you see this part of your fist, it kind of looks similar to a B. It's the same general shape. So that would be your B. And when you look over here at your right hand, I can see it's a very general shape again, but there's that bubble for the D, but it's pointing that way. So the left hand is showing a B and this one's showing a D. Do you see the shapes? All right, now think about that. Keep your hands up, keep your thumbs up. We're going to go on to the next slide. Do you see why I said you got to remember that word in the back of your brain? Look here, we've got the B, which is your left thumb and your left fist making that B. And then we have your right thumb and fist making the D. And right in between, I want you to imagine that there is the letter E. And so then you can see this little person sleeping on a bed. So this word says bed. So anytime you're thinking, does that word have a D or a B in it? What sound do I need to use when I read it out loud? Then I want you to think about this trick because it might help you figure out what sound you need to make. So remember bed and remember to give yourselves thumbs up. All right, now we're going to practice some words. Remember that trick. Let's start with this one. Do you remember what this one is? I put this one in just for review. B-ed, bed. Okay, now I want you to try this one. This one, is that a B or a D at the beginning? Try using your trick. See if you can figure it out. I'll give you a minute and then we'll do it together. Okay, let's sound it out. Remember to tap if you need to. D, A, G. D, A, G. Dog. Dog. Let's try this one. Uh-oh. Do you see? I see a B and a D in there. Think about your trick. See if that helps. Let's try this one together because that one's kind of tricky with having both of them in there. Let's try it. B-I-D. B-I-D. Bid. Bid. Good job, guys. How'd you do? Were you able to figure that one out? Did you use your trick that I taught you? Okay, let's try this one. I want you to try this one on your own. I'll give you a second to try it, and then we'll do it together. Okay, let's try it. Remember to tap if you need to. Ah, d, add, d, pad, pad. Good job. Okay, now we're going to go all the way to the top again. We've got a few more to do. Have you tried this one yet? Try sounding it out, and we'll sound it out together. Okay, let's try it. Ib, ib, fib, fib. You know what a fib is? It's like telling a little white lie, like just a little lie. You're fibbing. I told a little fib to my mom the other day. Okay, let's try these. Oh my goodness, I see something here. What is this called? If you said digraph, you're right. This is a digraph. Do you remember what's special about digraphs? They are two letters that make one sound. Let's try this one together. Do you remember, is this a B or a D? If you said B, you're right. Did you have to use your trick to figure that out, or are you able to remember that on your own? Either way, great job. Let's try it together. B, A, K, B, A, back, back. Great job. Okay, I'm going to let you try this one on your own, and then we'll sound it out together. I'll just give you a second to try it on your own. Okay, let's try it together. D, I, sh, d, I, sh, dish, dish. Good. One more. Okay, last one. Try to remember. Is this a D or a B? Think about it and then sound it out. Remember, we have a digraph here too. Remember what your digraph says? I'm going to give you 1 second to try it on your own, and then we'll do this last one together. Okay, let's do it. D, d, thud, thud. Great job, guys. You did so great with this one. Keep practicing and remember our trick.